my show. Said I wanna see your body, yes I wanna go and see your body more. Said that I like your body, so that yes I telling you that I'm seeing you. Said I wanna see your body when I see it, what you really gonna do? What you do? Said that I see your body when they said that you over there, you working out. You working out. Some people say they see your body when you over there, they're just working out. You working out. Said I wanna see your body when you said that you just sweating too. You sweat on too. I wanna see your body when I see that you next to who? You next to who? Said I wanna see your body now. I wanna see what you gonna dance up in the stand. Said I wanna see your body over here. You know I wanna be your man. To be your man. I said hey, saying you. I like your body though. You know I do. I'm saying hey, I'm saying you. I like your body though, like your body though. Said I like your body and you know that I wanna go and touch you though. I want some more. Said I like your body as I see them shapes on your body make me grow. It made me grow. Said I like your body liking me. But still I'm over here, you know that just how what I see. I like it on your body though, I like it every time. I like it when you going up, I'm going with my rhyme. Said I like your body when I say that I really like your body though. Your body though. I even like your body when you over there, you doing all them body rolls. Them body rolls. You getting up, you getting down, but still I'm looking at your body on my show. Up on my show. Said I'm doing something because I'm telling you that I like your body though. Your body though. Said that I wanna see your body when your body's over here, it's next to me. Next to me. Said I wanna see your body, yes you know I'm gonna put it on a beam. Up on a beam. Said when I see your body now, you'll see your body up. Your body's over here today, you know we getting up. We gonna go over there, we gonna put that sweat. Some people's over there today, I said I lick your neck. Your body's over there today, I will go lick that ear. Some people's over there now, they said no, are you sure? They said they even be what? That might just be my spot. So do not even give me, don't go and get me high. Said I don't wanna see your body, yes I wanna see your body here today. Here today. Said I wanna see your body, yes you know you gonna make me freaky, hey. I'm freaky, hey. Said I wanna see your body, yes I see your body as it make me smile. It make me smile. Said I wanna see your body every day, every single day in style. Up in the style. Said I see your body when you're not wearing anything. I say ooh wee. I say ooh wee. Said I see your body when you're wearing different clothes just in front of me. In front of me. Said I like your body when I see your body when you over there you run. You run for fun. Said I see your body when you working out and when you wanna go get some. You go get some. Said hey, but you know, I see your body though. See your body though. Saying hey, so do you know? I like your body though. I like your body though. Said I see your body and I see your body and it making me so good. To me so good. The other people looking at me and you now you said you understood. you understood. Cause when I looking at your body, and your body is just as nice to me. It's nice to me. So now I'm over here, I'm doing something about your body, put it on a beat, up on that beat. Said I see your body, babe. I said I see you now. I see your body over here. You know we getting down. I'm looking at your body now. You putting in that work. Some people's over there right now. Some people gonna twerk. The girls is over there today. They say they flexible, but still I'm over here. But yes, I say I'm next to you. I'm looking at your body though. Oh yes, it make me smile. Oh yes, I'm over here today. You come to drive me wild. Say hey. So yes, I stand in there. I see your body though. Your body though. Hey, you know, I see your body though. I see you though. Say I see your body and I see your body and it's gonna make me smile. Make me smile. Yes, I see your body and your body always gonna drive me wild. You drive me wild. That I see your body and I want your body over here just next to me. Oh, next to me. So I see your body, so you know I'm gonna put your body on a beat. Up on a beat. And I see your body. I said I see your body now. Right now. And I see your body. I wanna go and touch it now. I touch it now. Can I see your body? Can I see your body though? Oh, with your clothes. Can I see your body? It making me feel naughty though. Oh, naughty though. I said that I see your body. I see your body over there. Over there. Said I see your body. You know I'm telling you I care. Said I care. Said I see your body. I want you here to next to me. Next to me. Said I see your body. And I'm gonna say ooh wee.